All right, so this is our fruit snacks template. I'm going to do the same as I've done before and create this into a unicorn theme. I'm going to go ahead and just do what we've done in all the other videos in case you've watched them or if this is your first one. Let's just go ahead and fix this up. This itself is a square, so I'm actually going to bring in the clip art that I want to use. It's always a good idea to start there because that will help you to get all your ideas out and get your design together quicker than just starting, not knowing what direction you're going in, and could keep going down a path. Then next thing you know, you've gone through 5 different edits. But I always do say once you kind of get your chip bag together or your first design, you have an idea where you want to go forward with the rest of your templates and the rest of your party favors. So this one is again the chocolate unicorn. I don't like the background obviously, so I'm going to change this. This itself is a shape, so you could have a shape where you could do no fill, and then you just see the background. You could even delete the shape, but I'm going to do a fill on this. I'm going to sample it. I'm going to go with, again, that background. And actually, I think I'm not even going to do that. Or what I might do is just drag it out so it's the same across. So you can do a variety of things. Delete it, you can change the background, you can insert a shape. You know, inserting shapes and everything and manipulating the shapes help you do a little bit more design work in Publisher. So I'm going to edit this with word art as usual. I like that it says fruit snacks. I'm actually okay with that. I'm going to change the shape color to a pink. I think that would be cool for her. The outline is going to be that same purple we've been using. I might make that a little weighted, a little more heavy. Let's do the outline with the purple. I think what I do want to do though is make that a little heavier so I get a full vibe of the weight of it. Yeah, see. And I'm gonna do the color again in a different color. And because it's grouped, it's gonna affect both items. If I had it ungrouped, then it would do it separately. I don't like this, obviously. Let me ungroup that. I want to make this its own field color. I think I want to go with the pink again. Yeah, and the outline. I'm good on that on white because what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in the background and I'm going to make this shape be purple. See if I like that. Yeah, I think that's going with the direction that I want it to be. But again, you know, for the sake of time, I'm not going to do a lot with this one. We can always come back and revisit this, but I'm going to change this to say mixed fruit or, you know, whatever fruit you were using, flavor of your fruit snacks. Don't want this. Let's make that pink. Oops. Let's get the word art. This is all grouped. So again, it's going to affect everything. And I don't want that to happen. So let's format the text box. Keeps trying to give me. And let's just make it a different color. Make it pink. Yeah, because that's actually a text box. That one is. Let's change this. I think we want to do a different color on this one. Um, no, I don't like that. You know, you guys get to play with these a lot, so make it what you want it to be. Um, Design it as you so please. I'm going to remove the effects on this. Uh-oh, wrong. Had the wrong shape selected. Let's do no outline. Let's make this a little narrow. Yeah, there we go. And let's fill this one with the blue. So again, this is all something that you guys can create on your own and come up with to be creative. I would even, you can add some glitter in here somewhere. You can do all kinds of fun stuff um, to make these your own instead of just having it be the basic design you see here. So, like I could do like I did before and create a glitter background, all kinds of fun stuff. So just work with it, and I'm going to save this as a PNG as I've done so many times already. Go over to my mock-up, which I don't have open. So excuse me while I open that. And I'll be doing the coloring book and water bottle and Pringles as well this week. So stay tuned for those. I hope you are getting something out of all of this and it's helping you in a sense, some sort of way. So I'm going to ungroup this. And don't ever hesitate to ask me questions. Join our Facebook group. That's what it's here for, to help. And I'm here to help. I can only help so much, but I'm definitely more available on Facebook if you want to join me over there. Crafts of a Different Shade, just search for that. And we love company. We love people to come and join us, show yourself, show off. That's what I'm here for. I want to see what you're creating. So don't hesitate to join us all on Facebook. There's a group. I also have a page. Now that I'm looking at this, I hate that outline. So that would be something that I would go back and fix. This gives me an idea really and truly of what I don't like and how I could fix it when I come over and I do my mock-ups. So I'm not going to change it on this video for the sake of time, as I mentioned. I don't want you all to get bored with me and watch a very long-winded YouTube video, but I will be back this week. We will work on some more templates. I'll go ahead and do some things like I had a request for Crayola. I've already created that chip bag. So there are a few things that I was working behind the scenes as I took a little break from YouTube to get things better, because I didn't want to just jump out here and not have things that you all may need or the answers to everything. And I also create in Photoshop, so I'll be doing some tutorials on that. Fruit snacks, unicorn. And, one of the fun things is to bring this stuff over into your own full mock-up that you could present your customers or even show off on your Etsy page, on your Facebook pages, Instagram, stuff like that, so people get an idea of what do you offer in full. We'll also do some ticket invitations. I know those are so popular, in the credit card invitations. So I have all those pending and just actually waiting for me to get it together for YouTube. So I'm like, this seems like it could be a little brighter. So you can mess with your settings and manipulate your picture. Like, I want this to be a little brighter. Yeah, there we go. So now it's looking better. Um, these are all the kind of things you get to show off by yourself to your customers and give them a full mock-up of what you can do and why they should use you. So highly encourage you all to do that and have so much fun with these templates and mock-ups for your customers, because we're visual people. We like to see things before we buy something. So imagine I got to show this off and have my customers seeing it. They would be like, oh, I love this. Get that for Ariana's birthday. And now I see it together. A lot of things I would change. I would make this way more consistent. I would have these colors all the same. So I would maybe even utilize some more glitters. But just an idea for you guys to do and use. So have fun with this as usual. And thanks for watching.